Good morning. It's a nice fall day. It's November the 10th, and I have some little projects to do here in the garden this morning. We're supposed to this weekend have some of our really cold weather. It's going to get down to 28 degrees Fahrenheit. And these are some of the wires that I'll be placing in the ground. I've used those for a couple of years, and that came on a roll of wire that I bought from Growers Solution. It was so heavy, the shipping cost me almost as much as the wire did to buy that spool and have it shipped here. But that's what I'm going to put the frost covers on with. What, Lily Mae? All right, my little project, I have made marks and took my little angle grinder and made a little indent in this piece of PVC pipe, because without a drill press you can't drill a hole all the way through that PVC. It just bounces everywhere. But by taking that angle grinder, I was able to get it started. And then I took a bit that was about the same size as these wires laying here on the ground. I'm going to make a support to go across my pretty little lettuces here. I have covered these before and been able to keep them alive all winter. Now, as with everything else, it is not, I repeat, it will not grow in the very cold weather, but that will keep it from freezing, and there'll be just a little bit of growth maybe on days when it's warm, and it will stay warmer underneath the frost cover. Here's what I'm going to call for now my dinosaur skeleton framework. You can see through the little holes. Let's get a chance to focus. As you can see, I've got my wires run through there. Now I'll take a piece of old torn t-shirt material and tie around that to keep it from moving. And you might wonder why I put that piece of PVC piping in there. And I do have a place here at the end where I can put a stake down in the ground and tie this down to it so that it doesn't wiggle. In the past, with a lot of wind, it'll hold up. But when I have snows, which it does snow quite often here during the winter on the Cumberland Plateau, that'll all fall down. I'm trying to give it enough support that the snow won't knock it down. And I'm very happy to say I've got a few leaves of Swiss chard there that I can go ahead and pick and stir fry as well. Okay, let me show you how I've tied this. You can probably see it better from this side, but I have wrapped that cording tightly around this and pulled it up as tight as I could over onto this side. By wrapping it back and forth, it makes it to where it doesn't slip. The first couple here I tied, I didn't wrap the cord, I was just going around it, and that was a mistake because it moves, but it'll be okay. I'm not going to redo it. Okay, I've got it weighted down by rocks. That should keep it secure. This is what I've used to sturdy the fencing. It's tied, and it's tied right there to the top. It should work just fine. And from out here, that should be able to withstand the wind. And what snow falls on it shouldn't actually cause it to collapse this year. Kind of happy with it. Okay, there it is. It's not the prettiest frost cover in the world, and I've not put anything on this side yet because I'm going to harvest some of that lettuce here in just a little bit. But just remember, things do not have to be pretty to work. It just needs to keep the frost and the cold and the snow off of my vegetables so that they can survive and I can harvest them.